SAP S4HANA LTMC Legacy Transfer Migration Cockpit Online Training. Learn and upgrade your profile with Real-Time Trainer by Proexcellency. Introduction to SAP S4HANA LTMC. SAP S4HANA Legacy Transfer Migration Cockpit (LTMC) is a tool that helps businesses migrate data from their legacy SAP systems to SAP S4HANA. It is a simplified and easy-to-use tool that can be used to migrate a wide range of data objects, including master data, transactional data, and custom data. Why use SAP S4HANA LTMC for data migration? SAP S4HANA LTMC offers several compelling reasons for data migration. Pre-configured content. It provides ready-made content and mapping for various migration objects, saving time and effort. User-friendly. The user interface is intuitive and suitable for users with limited technical knowledge. Versatility. It can migrate data from various sources, including SAP and non-SAP systems, as well as spreadsheets. Scalability. It efficiently handles large data volumes. Security ensures data security through encryption at rest and in transit. SAP S4HANA LTMC is a wise choice for scenarios like upgrading to SAP S4HANA, recommended for migrating from older SAP ERP versions. Transitioning from non-SAP systems, suitable for migrating data from systems like Oracle E-Business Suite and Microsoft Dynamics AX. Data migration within SAP S4HANA, useful when consolidating multiple SAP S4HANA systems into one. In summary, SAP S4HANA LTMC is a robust, adaptable tool for migrating data to SAP S4HANA from diverse sources. The key benefits of SAP S4HANA LTMC. SAP S4HANA LTMC offers several valuable benefits. Streamlined data migration. LTMC simplifies data migration to SAP S4HANA through an intuitive interface and predefined migration objects. Error reduction. Built-in data validation and simulation features minimize the risk of migration errors. Enhanced performance. LTMC efficiently handles large data volumes, leading to faster migration. Cost savings. It eliminates custom coding and reduces migration time, thus reducing migration costs. Agility and flexibility. By streamlining data migration, LTMC helps businesses adapt more easily to market changes. Additional advantages. Versatile data support. Migrate master, transactional, and financial data. Deployment flexibility. Works for both on-premise and cloud SAP S4HANA deployments. Integration capabilities. Seamlessly integrates with other SAP tools like SAP Data Services and SAP Cloud Migration Cockpit for comprehensive data migration solutions. In summary, SAP S4HANA LTMC is a robust tool that simplifies and enhances data migration to SAP S4HANA, offering efficiency and cost savings. Key features of SAP S4HANA LTMC. SAP S4HANA LTMC, or the Legacy Transfer Migration Cockpit, is a versatile tool designed to facilitate data migration from legacy ERP systems to SAP S4HANA. It offers numerous valuable features. Predefined migration objects. LTMC includes a predefined set of data migration objects, reducing the need for custom development and saving time and money. Automated data mapping. This tool automatically maps data from the old system to SAP S4HANA, reducing errors and streamlining the migration process. Data conversion. LTMC can convert data into the required SAP S4HANA format, eliminating manual data conversion efforts. Data loading. It optimizes data loading for performance, minimizing downtime during the migration. Data quality testing. LTMC features data quality testing to ensure accuracy and completeness of migrated data before production use. Real-time monitoring. The tool provides real-time monitoring for early issue identification and resolution. Additional benefits. User-friendly interface. LTMC offers an intuitive interface suitable for users new to SAP S4HANA. Flexibility. It supports data migration from various legacy systems, including SAP ECC, SAP CRM, and non-SAP systems. Scalability. LTMC handles large data volumes without performance concerns. In summary, SAP S4HANA LTMC is a robust and adaptable tool, simplifying and expediting data migration to SAP S4HANA for businesses of all sizes. Advantages of choosing for SAP S4HANA LTMC. SAP S4HANA LTMC is an excellent choice for data migration for various reasons. User-friendly, it offers a straightforward interface suitable for both technical and non-technical users. Versatility, supports various migration scenarios, from simple transfers to complex transformations. Scalability, efficiently handles large-scale data migrations. Speed, utilizes advanced optimization techniques for speedy job completion. Security, ensures data protection through encryption and security measures. Specific advantages over LSMW. No macro recording, eliminates the need for macro recording, offering a guided step-by-step approach. SAP HANA support, migrates data to efficient SAP HANA data models. Real-time migration, enables real-time data migration for minimal business disruption. In summary, SAP S4HANA LTMC is a robust tool suitable for businesses of all sizes transitioning to SAP S4HANA. SAP S4HANA LTMC data migration process. The SAP S4HANA LTMC data migration process involves several key steps. Project setup. Create a migration project in LTMC, specifying migration objects. Data template. Download templates for migration objects and fill them with source data. Data upload. Upload the data to LTMC, where it's validated and staged. Mapping. Map source data to the target SAP S4HANA system. Simulation. Simulate the migration to identify and rectify errors. Migration execution. Execute the migration to load data into SAP S4HANA. Data testing. Thoroughly test the migrated data for accuracy and completeness. Go live. Transition to the target SAP S4HANA system with minimal disruption. Best practices. Plan the migration meticulously. Clean and prepare source data. Carefully configure LTMC. Rigorously test migrated data. Schedule the go-live during minimal business disruption. These steps ensure a smooth SAP S4HANA data migration process. SAP S4HANA LTMC migration objects. SAP S4HANA LTMC migration objects are predefined models that define how data is transferred during migration. There are two main types. Master data migration objects, used for migrating customer, material, and vendor data. Transactional data migration objects, used for migrating sales orders, purchase orders, and inventory transactions. To create these migration objects, use the Migration Object Modeler tool. Name the migration object and specify its type. Define source and target structures, map fields, and save the object. Manage these objects in the Migration Cockpit. Open the Migration Cockpit. Select the object you want to edit. Make necessary changes and save. You can also create new migration objects in the Migration Cockpit. SAP S4HANA LTMC Data Mapping. SAP S4HANA LTMC data mapping is the process of matching data from a source system to the corresponding fields in SAP S4HANA. It's essential for smooth data migration. Here's how to create and manage these mappings. Open SAP S4HANA Migration Cockpit, LTMC. Choose the migration project and object. Access the Data Mapping tab. Click Create. Specify a name and select source and target fields. Define the mapping rules. Save your mapping. To manage mappings, you can edit, delete, copy, and test them. Follow these best practices. Automate mapping using SAP S4HANA LTMC tools. Thoroughly test mappings before production use. Document mappings for maintenance. Maintain naming conventions. Use standard data types and match meanings. Handle special cases like null values. Create custom mappings only when necessary. You can also use templates, preview features, error logs, and transport functionality for efficient data mapping. These practices ensure accuracy and reliability in your data migration process. SAP S4HANA LTMC Data Conversion. SAP S4HANA LTMC data conversion is the process of adapting data from an older system to work with SAP S4HANA. This involves changing data types, structures, or content to ensure compatibility. To configure SAP S4HANA LTMC data conversions, you create data mappings by defining rules for source and target data fields. Testing these mappings is crucial for accuracy. Best practices. Plan data conversion early. Use data mapping tools to automate the process. Thoroughly test mappings. Employ a data conversion staging table for review. Utilize SAP-provided mappings and templates. Monitor conversion progress with tools to identify and fix errors swiftly. Following these practices ensures a successful and accurate data migration to SAP S4HANA. SAP S4HANA LTMC Data Loading. SAP S4HANA LTMC data loading is the process of moving data into SAP S4HANA using the Legacy Transfer Migration Cockpit, LTMC. Here's a simplified step-by-step. Create a migration project. Start by creating a migration project in LTMC. Choose data objects. Select the data objects you want to migrate. Download templates. Download templates for the selected data objects. Fill templates. Populate the templates with the data you wish to transfer. Upload and validate. Upload the templates into LTMC and validate the data. Data conversion. If needed, if necessary, convert data to match S4HANA's format. Load data. Load the data into SAP S4HANA. Best practices. Use the latest version of LTMC. Thoroughly test data migration before going live. Utilize a staging database for testing. Employ LTMC for data quality checks and conversions. Load data in batches. Monitor the migration process closely. Additionally, use LTMC's data mapping tool to align source system data with S4HANA fields. Utilize LTMC's data conversion tool if formats differ. Test with the data loading simulator for error identification and correction. Monitor progress using the Data Migration Monitor. SAP S4HANA LTMC Data Quality Testing. SAP S4HANA LTMC data quality testing is the process of ensuring the accuracy and completeness of data during migration. Here's a concise guide. Performing SAP S4HANA LTMC data quality testing. Data validation. Check data for accuracy and completeness, manually or using tools. Data profiling, analyze data for patterns and potential quality issues. Data matching, compare data to other sources to identify discrepancies. Data cleansing, correct any identified data quality problems. Best practices. Start early, begin data quality testing at the outset of the implementation. Use diverse testing methods, employ a mix of testing methods. Engage stakeholders, involve various business stakeholders in the testing process. Document results, keep a record of testing outcomes for progress tracking and issue resolution. Additional tips. Prioritize key data, focus on testing the most critical data. Leverage automated tools, utilize automation to save time and improve accuracy. User feedback. Gather input from users to identify issues affecting system usability. Following these steps and best practices will ensure effective and efficient SAP S4HANA LTMC data quality testing. What is SAP S4HANA LTMC data migration monitoring? SAP S4HANA LTMC data migration monitoring involves tracking and reporting the progress of data migration projects in SAP S4HANA. It's crucial to ensure the project stays on track and address any issues early on. To monitor SAP S4HANA LTMC data migration, use SAP's monitoring tools like the Migration Monitor and Data Transfer Monitor for real-time project status. Consider third-party monitoring tools with additional features, custom reports, and alerts. Manually review data migration logs for detailed information on the process. Best practices for effective monitoring. Create a monitoring plan with defined metrics, monitoring frequency, and escalation procedures. Utilize a mix of monitoring tools for a comprehensive view. Set up alerts to receive immediate notifications of any issues. Regularly monitor the data migration process to spot trends or anomalies and take corrective action as needed. SAP S4HANA LTMC troubleshooting. Common SAP S4HANA LTMC data migration errors include duplicate key errors. These occur when the data has duplicate keys. Resolve by removing duplicates before migration. Data conversion errors happen when data can't be converted to SAP S4HANA format. Check data mapping. Data loading errors occur when data can't be loaded into SAP S4HANA. Review data loading configuration. Authorization errors arise when the user lacks necessary permissions. Grant required authorizations. Technical errors due to network, database, or software issues. Investigate system logs for root causes. Troubleshooting tips. Check LTMC Monitor. It provides error details for identifying and correcting issues. Review system logs. Use logs to identify specific errors and find relevant resources. Contact SAP support. Seek assistance if unable to resolve the issue independently. Additional tips. Ensure source and target systems are compatible. Validate data mapping configuration. Test migration configuration before executing. Monitor the migration job using the LTMC monitor to catch errors in real time. Best practices for SAP S4HANA LTMC data migration. For a successful SAP S4HANA LTMC data migration, follow these best practices. Careful planning. Thoroughly plan and prepare, including data identification, mapping, and configuration. Templates. Utilize SAP's predefined templates to save time. Data quality testing. Test data quality before and after migration for accuracy and completeness. Monitoring. Keep a close eye on the migration process to identify and address issues promptly. Sandbox environment. Use a sandbox environment for safe testing and development. Staging tables. Improve migration performance by using staging tables. Delta migration. Use delta migration for changes to existing data to save time. Automation. Leverage scheduling and batch processing for automated migrations. Logging and reporting. Use SAP S4HANA LTMC's logging and reporting features for tracking and issue identification. Consultation. Consider working with an experienced SAP S4HANA LTMC consultant for assistance. For data mapping, use SAP's data dictionary for field identification. Apply data conversion rules to ensure the correct format. Test data mapping rules using SAP's tool. For data quality testing, utilize SAP's data quality management tool. Focus on critical business data. Regularly test data quality before and after migration. For monitoring, use SAP S4HANA LTMC's monitoring tools. Set up alerts for error notifications. Have a plan to address any issues that arise. SAP S4HANA LTMC Certification. The SAP S4HANA LTMC certification validates your expertise in using the SAP S4HANA Legacy Transfer Migration Cockpit, LTMC, for data migration. To earn this certification, pass the SAP Certified Application Associate SAP S4HANA Data Migration Exam, C_TS412_2021. Prepare by reviewing documentation, gaining hands-on experience, and practicing exam questions. Benefits of the certification: higher earning potential, better job opportunities in SAP S4HANA data migration, enhanced professional credibility, demonstrates commitment to professional development. Consider obtaining the SAP S4HANA LTMC certification for a career in SAP S4HANA data migration. SAP S4HANA LTMC data migration process. The SAP S4HANA LTMC data migration process involves several key steps. Project setup. Create a migration project in LTMC, specifying migration objects. Data template. Download templates for migration objects and fill them with source data. Data upload. Upload the data to LTMC, where it's validated and staged. Mapping. Map source data to the target SAP S4HANA system. Simulation. Simulate the migration to identify and rectify errors. Migration execution. Execute the migration to load data into SAP S4HANA. Data testing. Thoroughly test the migrated data for accuracy and completeness. Go live. Transition to the target SAP S4HANA system with minimal disruption. Best practices. Plan the migration meticulously. Clean and prepare source data. Carefully configure LTMC. Rigorously test migrated data. Schedule the go-live during minimal business disruption. These steps ensure a smooth SAP S4HANA data migration process. SAP S4HANA LTMC career opportunities in India. The demand for SAP S4HANA LTMC consultants in India is surging due to increased business migrations. SAP S4HANA LTMC facilitates seamless data migration to SAP S4HANA. Career opportunities include roles like SAP S4HANA LTMC Consultant, Migration Specialist, Data Migration Architect, Data Quality Consultant, Performance Optimization Consultant, and Security Consultant. These professionals can find opportunities in various industries and with different types of companies. Salaries vary based on experience and the employer. Top companies hiring SAP S4HANA LTMC consultants in India include SAP, IBM, Accenture, Deloitte, PwC, EY, KPMG, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Technologies, Tech Mahindra, and Capgemini. To excel in this career, consider getting certified, gaining practical experience, building a strong professional network, and staying updated with the latest SAP S4HANA LTMC developments. With the right skills and experience, you can have a successful career in this field in India. SAP S4HANA LTMC salary expectation in India. The salary for an SAP S4HANA LTMC professional in India varies based on experience, skills, and location. On average, they earn around 722,000 rupees annually. Entry-level professionals make 500,000 rupees to 600,000 rupees, mid-level 601,000 rupees to 750,000 rupees, and senior level 751,000 rupees to 900,000 rupees. Specialized skills and industry demand can increase earnings. Factors affecting salary include experience, skills, location, and company size. In major cities like Bangalore, Delhi, and Mumbai, salaries tend to be higher. To boost your SAP S4HANA LTMC salary, gain experience on relevant projects. Develop skills in data mapping, conversion, and loading. Obtain SAP S4HANA LTMC certification. Network with peers in the field. Negotiate your salary when accepting a new job offer. Why choose for SAP S4HANA LTMC online training? Consider SAP S4HANA LTMC online training for these compelling reasons. Convenience, learn at your own pace and schedule. Flexibility, access materials from anywhere with an internet connection. Affordability, it's often more cost-effective than traditional classroom training. Interactivity, enjoy engaging features like discussion forums, quizzes, and simulations. Expertise, benefit from experienced and certified SAP S4HANA LTMC trainers. Additional advantages include learning from industry experts, gaining hands-on experience, preparing for official SAP certification, staying up to date with the latest LTMC tool and SAP S4HANA updates. Choose online training for a convenient, affordable, and effective SAP S4HANA LTMC learning experience. Advantages of choosing for SAP S4HANA LTMC online training. SAP S4HANA LTMC online training offers several advantages. Convenience and flexibility, accessible from anywhere, anytime, making it ideal for busy professionals. Affordability, no travel costs, making it cost-effective. Self-paced learning, learn at your own speed and revisit topics as needed. Interactive content, engaging content like videos, simulations, and quizzes enhance learning. Access to experts, taught by experienced SAP professionals for personalized guidance. Specific benefits include stay updated, learn the latest SAP S4HANA LTMC features and functionality. Hands-on experience, gain practical skills through exercises and projects. Earn certification, receive a certificate upon completion to showcase your expertise to potential employers. In summary, SAP S4HANA LTMC online training is a convenient, cost-effective, and practical way to master this powerful data migration tool. Topics covered in SAP S4HANA LTMC online training. An online SAP S4HANA LTMC training typically covers Introduction to SAP S4HANA LTMC. Data migration process using SAP S4HANA LTMC. Migration objects in SAP S4HANA LTMC. Data mapping and conversion in SAP S4HANA LTMC. data loading and quality testing, data migration monitoring and troubleshooting, best practices and success stories. Some advanced topics may include integration with LSMW, SAP Data Services, and Cloud Migration Cockpit, performance optimization and security. These courses equip you to effectively migrate data to SAP S4HANA. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP S4HANA LTMC online training? Proexcellency is your top choice for SAP S4HANA LTMC online training for several reasons. Experienced trainers, our certified instructors possess deep knowledge of SAP S4HANA LTMC, ensuring clear and effective training. Comprehensive materials. We provide up-to-date training materials covering all aspects of SAP S4HANA LTMC. Interactive learning. Our engaging sessions incorporate various teaching methods, making learning enjoyable and effective. Flexibility. Choose between live online sessions or self-paced courses to suit your schedule. Affordable. We offer budget-friendly training fees. Additional benefits. Lifetime access. You'll have ongoing access to training materials. Free technical support. We provide assistance during and after training. Job placement assistance. We assist in SAP job placement. In summary, Proexcellency is your ideal partner for SAP S4HANA LTMC online training, offering expert trainers, comprehensive content, interactive learning, flexibility, affordability, and valuable additional benefits. Contact us 08031508687 vertical bar plus 919008906809 www.proexcellency.com info@proexcellency.com vertical bar afan@proexcellency.com Bangalore, India. Thank you for your attention.